Pierre Elliott was one of Connecticut's standout motorcycle drag racers during the 1980s. Hailing from eastern Connecticut, he earned a reputation as a skilled rider aboard Suzuki and Kawasaki motorcycles during an era when New England was home to some of the toughest motorcycle competition in the country. Elliott competed throughout the Northeast, racing at venues such as New England Dragway and other regional tracks while facing many of the East Coast's top riders. Among those competitors was future multi-time champion Ricky Gadsden, whose early racing career frequently brought him into Connecticut's highly competitive motorcycle racing scene. Enjoying this content? Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more motorcycle history. Known by fellow racers as a talented and fearless competitor, Elliott represented the grassroots spirit of motorcycle drag racing, a time when racers built their own machines, hauled them to the track themselves, and raced for pride as much as prize money. Like many respected regional racers of the era, his reputation was earned at the starting line rather than through national publicity. Pierre Elliott was also the founder and longtime president and CEO of Diamond Powersports, a Florida-based motorcycle aftermarket company established in 1992. Company filings state that Elliott had more than 25 years of motorcycle industry experience and was involved in manufacturing, wholesaling, inventory management, quality control, service and retail sales. Although his name isn't widely documented in modern online archives, racers from New England remember competitors like Pierre Elliott as part of the generation that helped build the region's rich motorcycle drag racing heritage. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment,